Are you looking for a review of GrooveFunnels? Right now there's a huge buzz around this company of Groove Digital because they are giving away free lifetime accounts to GroovePages and GrooveSell. In this GrooveFunnels review, I will walk you through the different Groove apps. So I will explain everything from my own personal account. I will explain what GroovePages is, what GrooveSell is, why it's free, and what's the difference between GroovePages Pro and GroovePages Lite, and things like this. Recently, GrooveFunnels introduced new affiliate rules, and they have a clear first tag win policy. If you create a free GrooveSell account, you're tagged to this affiliate for life. And if you go to GrooveFunnelsBonus.com, you'll see that I offer a lot of bonuses in case you upgrade to the full version. And currently I have a lot of people reaching out to me. Hi Martin, I've created a free GrooveSell account with somebody else, but I would like to get your bonuses. If you have not signed up for GrooveSell, I highly recommend to sign up for the free GrooveSell account with my affiliate link, because in case you want to upgrade to the full version, you will only be able to get my bonuses if you sign up with my affiliate link. For this, just go to GrooveFunnelsBonus.com, and here's the link to sign up for GrooveFunnels with my affiliate link. At all times, if you have any questions about GrooveFunnels, I highly recommend to check out my blog posts at findfocus.net, because I cover a lot about the details of GrooveFunnels on my blog posts. And as you can see here, I've written a lot of really in-depth reviews of GrooveFunnels, GrooveSell, the different pricing models, the GrooveFunnels affiliate program, and basically everything, every question is covered on my blog as well. But right now I really want to go through my GrooveFunnels account and show you in this review how the software actually works and what you will be getting. The first app that you will be getting is GroovePages. Right now there are two different versions of GroovePages, and I will explain the difference here right now. So for this, I will just log into my test account. This is the free account that I'm having right now. And here you can see, if you go to GroovePages, that you're limited to 3 different sites or 3 different funnels. With your free account, you will get only subdomains, so that means later your pages are published on something like findfocus.groovepages.com or yourname.groovepages.com. So that's the main difference between the Lite and the Pro version of GroovePages right now. Within GroovePages, the funnel builder, I will do a review of this as well, but here's basically where you build your sites, and this is a really great drag and drop page builder. You'll be able to do a lot of things with it, and it's getting better every day, and I really like using it, but it still has some bugs. So it's really important to know that right now you can embed different things to it, HTML code and everything, but it's still buggy and probably nothing that you want to use for clients. But it's really great option especially if you're still on a budget with the free version and you use something like YouTube or Facebook to get people to your funnel, then this is probably a really great option to get started for free. What's really cool about the current promotion is that you will then get GrooveSell and GrooveAffiliate for free, and this is really amazing. You can compare this to options like ThriveCart and PayKickstart and SamCart, all of these shopping carts that cost up to $99 per month, but you will get this completely free. And I've recently published a case study, and I will link to the video as well, where I used GrooveSell to already sell my own product. If we go to my product funnels, you can see I already made 4 sales for a simple PowerPoint presentation, and you can watch the full video here on YouTube as well, the full case study. So this was to show that this is already working, and they make improvements on this almost every day. And I'm really looking forward to be using order bumps and all of the advanced affiliate features in the future. And this is what you will get for free if you sign up with a free GrooveSell account. The next app that you will get access to is GrooveAffiliate, and these are my personal stats for recommending GrooveFunnels and GrooveSell to other people, and you can see you can make some really nice commissions with this. Like typically right now, one sale is worth $600, so it's a highly profitable affiliate program to promote, and that's why I'm creating videos like this, and I highly recommend you sign up for this. Later on, this affiliate program will contain links to all of the other affiliate programs that you find in the GrooveFunnels marketplace. So for example, the product that I just showed you, I will be able to list this in the marketplace, and then you will be able to find it and to promote my products as well. The feature that I'm looking forward to most right now is actually GrooveMail. And as you can see here, they are already sending out emails from GrooveMail to their email list. And this is really cool. So this means this will be available really soon. And this is something like ActiveCampaign. And this is my favorite feature and probably the biggest reason to upgrade to the full membership of GroovePages. The next thing that Groove Digital and the development team are working really hard on is to finish GrooveMember. They try to have this ready by the launch in July, and this will allow you to create membership sites, to host your online courses, to host videos, to host PDF files, and all of these functions, something that you can see in Kajabi. And this is really cool to deliver online courses and to have everything in one place. So this is what I really like about GrooveFunnels right now, that later on, once all the modules are developed, you will have everything in one place, just like you have in Katra right now. Along with GrooveMember, you will also get Groove Video, and this is basically an app that allows you to turn an skin over a video, and this is for advanced player controls. For example, if you want to have people to opt into your email list before they can watch a video, you will get detailed statistics about all of your videos for your video sales letters or webinars or automated webinars and things like this. So everything built into GrooveFunnels as well. As you can see, all of these apps are currently in the GrooveFunnels tab here, but there's also future GrooveFunnels. And in the future, GrooveFunnels will also have a blog, and it will have webinars, it will have a help desk, it will have a calendar, and a survey function. So the Groove blog is basically a replacement for something like WordPress, and here you will be allowed, or here you can publish content. It's SEO friendly, and you will have integrations, of course, with all of the other apps from GrooveFunnels. And the next app that I'm really looking forward to as well is Groove Webinars. And this is something that you will get only if you upgrade to the Pro version before the official launch. And then you will get something like EverWebinar and Webinar Jam combined, and this will be probably ready at the end of the year. Groove Desk is a feature that not everybody needs, but it's really neat to have, because you will have all your customer support in one central place. Currently I'm using the Katra help desk, and this is so much more convenient than just using an email. Unlike options like Zendesk, with GrooveDesk you will get unlimited agents. Of course, it will be not as fully fledged as something like Zendesk, but this is really great for, if you're still a small business owner or if you're a solopreneur, this will become really handy. Another cool feature that they will launch soon is Groove Calendars, and this will replace apps like Calendarly or Book Like a Boss, and this will allow you to create flexible schedules, class schedules, and reminders. And what's really cool about this is that it will be integrated as well into the whole GrooveFunnels ecosystem. So once somebody signed up for a calendar, you will probably be able to send them customized email reminders, and or be able to build them for their session with GrooveSell, things like this. So it's really cool to have everything integrated into one system, and that's what I really love about the future of GrooveFunnels. The last important Groove app is Groove Survey, and this will allow you to create dedicated opt-in forms, ask questions, and segment your list using something like Ryan Levesque's Ask campaign. So you can create surveys, you can create quizzes, and of course all of these responses will be part of your lead's history. So you know exactly the history of your lead and where you got them and what kind of products and topics they're interested in. What's really cool about the pro membership site is that you get access to GrooveCart as well. And GrooveCart is a fully fledged Shopify competitor, especially if you want to sell something like t-shirts or supplements or something like this. So anybody who upgrades to the pro version of GrooveFunnels right now gets one store with GrooveCart as well. And in case you're using Shopify, then you will also get GroovePages for Shopify, which is basically an add-on that they will later charge on $50 per month for. In the GrooveFunnels affiliate marketplace, you will be able to offer your products for free to find affiliates, just like you can do with platforms like JVZoo. And of course, you will also be able to find products that you want to promote as an affiliate, and everything will be tagged right into this system. And then the Groove Marketplace is a place to sell your own themes or buy themes, pages, sections, complete funnels that designers have created for GroovePages and GrooveCart and all of this. What's really cool is that there will also be something like the Groove App Store. And here you will be able to create your own plugins and apps and buy things like this around GrooveFunnels. Just like Chrome extensions make your browser more powerful, these apps and plugins will allow you to grow the capabilities of the Groove software in the future. And so whenever you have a market need that they do not want to solve themselves, then there might be a developer who says like, I want to build like this really flexible opt-in forms, or like connect to a certain service, or like whatever. I cannot even imagine right now, but this is something that the platform will offer in the future. All of this is basically part of GrooveFunnels, but Groove Digital, the main company, also offers other services. So for example, there's GroovePay, where you can have your own merchant account, something like your own PayPal account, but not with PayPal or Stripe or something, but using their merchant account. And this is really cool because they have much lower fees than PayPal or Stripe. And they even partnered up with a really good ad agency. So if you plan to run ads on scale for your funnel that you built in GrooveFunnels, this is an agency that knows this platform in and out. And for 10% charge of your ad spend, they will be able to manage your ads if you like to. Of course, they have something like Funnel Hacking Live in the future as well. So there will be a live event, or at their Groove Fest, which is a party at the Traffic and Conversion Summit, things like this. And then Mike, for the last couple of years, has a Marketers Cruise, where you meet on a cruise ship and then be able to connect and learn more about GrooveFunnels as well. And one thing, and this is something a lot of people neglect, is that they have an academy. Everyone who registers for a free GrooveSell account will get access to the academy automatically. And this is an awesome resource of trainings how to build funnels. You will get specific training for GrooveCart, you will get training for GrooveFunnels, and you will also get external experts that you can listen to as well. Typically, these are webinars where you have the option to buy in a certain product, for example, like how to create YouTube videos like this and how to make affiliate marketing with YouTube. But what's really valuable for me right now is the GrooveFunnels training. And this is where Donna Fox and Tom Beal and sometimes Mike Filsame himself do webinars. And these webinars really teach you how to set up a funnel, what's really important to keep in mind. And this is really cool. As you can see here, this is a training that takes place almost every week. And here you see who's doing the training. And during this training, they will teach you not only how to structure a funnel, but also, of course, little tricks and tips about GrooveFunnels. And what's cool about this, even if you're on the free GrooveSell account, you get free access to this training. And oftentimes your free GrooveSell account is enough to implement this training. Of course, they have a help desk where your most common questions about GrooveFunnels will be answered as well. So everything about GroovePages, GrooveSell, how to work this, how to integrate your custom domain, how to create an SSL certificate, everything like this will be covered here. And the last part, if you have any questions, they have an amazing Facebook group that's really active where I've been really active. And if you have any questions, you will find a lot of really helpful members here. And this group right now is really exploding. Like they just reached more than 17,000 members. And I think like just 4 weeks ago, they had like something like 2,000 or 3,000 members. So it's really, the company is really taking off. To recap this video, with a free GrooveSell account, you will get lifetime access to GroovePages and GrooveSell. As I showed you, the GroovePages account is limited and does not have custom domains, and you're only able to build 3 different funnels. With a free GrooveSell account, you do not need to buy something like ThriveCard, PayKickstart, or SamCard. And if you have any questions about the pricing and the Pro membership, I highly recommend you check out my GrooveFunnels pricing blog post where I break down everything. I also recommend to watch my other pricing video where I reveal how much you would have to pay for similar software if you had to buy this separately. So with the Pro upgrade, you basically get access to software that's currently valued at the marketplace at $12,000 per year. So you're getting an amazing deal here from Mike Felsame. If you created your free GrooveSell account, then you would need to go to upgrade here, and then you will be redirected to this page here. And here you'll see the different pricing options for GrooveFunnels and the future pricing. Here's everything that you will basically get or have to pay for in the future. And then it will explain what you will get for life. And then down here, you'll see the different payment plans. So there's 3 different payment plans right now. The first one is that you would have to pay $497 starting in 14 days, and then it's 3 monthly payment of this. So in total, it's about $1,500. Or you can take the 6-month payment option. There you would have to pay $288, and this will start today. Or you have the 12 easy payments plan. Basically, you would pay $188 if you're strapped for cash right now. But after the 12 payments, the payments will stop, and you will get access to GrooveFunnels Pro for life after this 12 months. So this is a really cool option if you're on a budget right now. On this page, you'll also see a recap what's included in the Pro upgrade and what's the difference between the free basic Lite version. And as you can see, you'll get a lot of value here. So if you have not created your free GrooveSell account, I highly recommend you go to GrooveFunnelsBonus.com. This is a page that I've built with GroovePages, and here you see all the bonuses that you get with my GrooveFunnels if you create a free GrooveSell account with my bonus. Remember, if you already have a free GrooveSell account and you want to get access to these bonuses, you have to reach out to me personally, and we have to find a way that you will be able to get this affiliate, my bonuses, even if it might mean that I will not get affiliate commission and get credit for the sale. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I will be covering a lot more about GrooveSell and how to build sales funnels and make sales online on this channel in the future. Have a great day and stay safe.